Well, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. Today, I'm going to be doing a low ABV sipper for you guys. This is something that people have been asking for a lot lately, so I think I was just going to do it. Some people are doing Sober October, but you know, over here at the Educated Barfly, sometimes we just like to take down the alcohol content a little bit. Something that we can day drink at brunch without having to take a nap in the middle of the day and possibly ruin our evening. You know what I'm saying? All right, first thing we're going to do, half an ounce of simple syrup. Then we're going to do half an ounce of lemon juice. We're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of Aperol. There it goes. That's the second time today. And I haven't even started drinking yet. And then we're going to do, if I can get it out of, if I can get the cork out. Somebody really stuck this in here last night. Ah, there we go. 1.5 ounces of red wine. I chilled this red wine a little bit. We're going to fill our glass up with some ice. Fill our tin up with some ice. Put our concoction in here. And you know what I didn't even do, Marius? What did I not do? Do you think you can tell me? In the beginning of this video. I didn't say the name of the cocktail. The name of the cocktail is called a Kombucha Sangria. And that's why I have my kombucha right there. Gave it a nice little shake. And then we're going to give it a little strain. And then we're just going to top it off with kombucha. I'm using the Health Aid cherry berry kombucha, but you can choose any kombucha you like, maybe apple or something, or even a tropical fruit kombucha would do. And we're just going to top it up with a couple ounces of kombucha. Try not to spill it. And then I'm just going to give it a little lemon wedge garnish. Let's take a sip. Ooh, that's fantastically good. That's so good. You know, what's really nice is that you get the kombucha right up front, but then you also get the red wine and the Aperol kind of combining to create this nice sort of dry, but very kind of bitter right on your palate. And then what you have is you have a little bit of lemon and a little bit of simple syrup, kind of add a little bit of acid in there, balance it out with a little bit of sugar. That's nice. I like it. I think I went a little overboard in the garnish there, but it's got a nice garnish. I don't know. I'm trying new things. This could even go garnishless and it would be great. I'm getting a little sip there. So the Kombucha Sangria was created by a bartender named Kevin Murphy running the bar program at Daisy's in Chicago. That's all I got for you. So there it is, the Kombucha Sangria. If you like our channel, please hit like and subscribe. Check us out on Patreon, patreon.com/educatedbarfly. Check out our YouTube memberships. We've got some cool stuff going there. And our Teespring. Buy a t-shirt. We make really great t-shirts. You should buy some. And I guess I'll see you guys on another time.